Now, here we come to a new section. This section is devoted to jobs. And as this class has been given to undergraduates who obviously are preparing to get jobs, that's sort of relevant. This slide comes from Microsoft and is a rather well-known slide. It predicts that by the year 2015, there will be 14 million jobs worldwide in cloud computing. I'm not quite certain that everybody agrees what is cloud computing, but I think it would include any job that was actually in Informatics, but that informatics application was using cloud. So cloud computing is not just producing the core software to run on clouds, it is running the applications on clouds. And so that's a lot of jobs. And many of those jobs are not filled at this stage. Here's another well-known study from the McKinsey Institute, which studies big data and the job needs there. And they come up with the conclusion that by 2018, just looking at the USA, there is 140,000 to 190,000 jobs for what you might call nerds in this area, deep analytics, the detailed number crunching. But perhaps more interestingly, there are 1.5 million jobs for the people who are actually going to make decisions, run the programs, and manage the whole process of the data science. So this course is mainly aimed at those 1.5 million, and you would need a course in computer science to cover the actual detailed technology, which is very interesting, but not the subject of this class. This is an interesting slide I found in a talk by Tom Davenport, who is a well-known evangelist in this field of big data from the Harvard Business School. This comes from a really good conference on big data at in Berkeley in November of 2012. And it says that if you go to LinkedIn, you can find that 0.1% of the jobs are currently in the analytics and data science area, the jobs offered, and that fraction of analytics and data science jobs has grown by a factor of 10 over the last 20 years. This just illustrates that this is a field which has a growing number of jobs associated with it.